technology has been so hot the last couple of years. Do you think technology is going to roll over and not be able to lead this market to new all-time highs?
I do not. Our models, as you know, on this show called the top, trading top, I should say, in July. They called the selling climax low in August 5th, which we termed the low, and we said the markets are liable to trade out to a new high. That said, it's running out of time right here. Our models now show that the first part of October could be problematic on a trading basis. Longer term, I haven't varied one iota. I think we're in a secular bull market, and I think it has years left to run.
And consumer stocks, we talked about it, they have been red hot. Is there any part of the market that does concern you, even though you are macro-optimistic?
Yeah, I am not real high on the utilities, and I'm not real high on the consumer staples. A lot of portfolio managers I talk to have not believed this rally, and yet they've had to put money to work, and they put it to work in fairly defensive names like utilities and consumer staples. And if you look at them on historic valuation metrics, they look pretty expensive right here, Brian.
Well, they're at record highs. I mean, many utilities are trading at all-time highs back to the early 70s. You think that's done? The run is done?
I don't know if it's done, because my generation is desperately seeking savings. I mean, you certainly can't get it in fixed income. You're not being compensated enough in high yield. I actually think one of the best vehicles out there are the midstream master limited partnerships that provide 8% tax-deferred yields.
Yeah, MLPs, though, but they're, you know, energy has been the weakest sector for a long time. They're kind of a subsidiary play because they're more of a toll road than an actual producer. What makes you more optimistic in the MLPs, which still offer some reasonably good dividends?
Yeah, I think you're exactly right. They are toll takers. They're like a transportation company without wheels. They own the pipes and the storage facilities, and they have long-term contracts with people like Exxon and Chevron. So, you know, we think the distributions are going to continue to be able to be grown by 5 to 8% a year, and they have a tax-deferred benefit. So for people in my generation that are desperately seeking income, they're pretty attractive right here, and as a group, they're the cheapest they've been in 20 years.